Hari Om Namaskaram. In today's episode of Inspiring Young Minds, we will be discussing a Sanskrit shloka which tells us about the 5 qualities every student should possess. Kakacheshta bakodhyanam shwananidra tathaivacha alpahari grihatyagi vidyarthi panchalakshanam. The first one, Kakacheshta. All of us have heard the story of a thirsty crow which was searching for water to quench its thirst on a hot day. The crow finally saw a pitcher with some water in it but could not drink the water as the level of water was very low. The crow came across an idea. It started collecting pebbles from the surroundings and put those pebbles inside the pitcher one by one with its beak. Slowly, the level of water arose and the crow drank it and quenched its thirst. Kakacheshta means the effort of a crow. That is, every child should do hard work with patience and perseverance. The next one, Bakodhyanam, Bagule ki tarah ekagrata. The crane stands on one leg with its focus completely into the water. It does not get distracted by the small fishes that come near to it, but it waits for the big fish to come and catches hold of it as soon as it has arrived. Similarly, focus on your target. Do not get distracted by the petty things. Do not allow small things in life to ruin your concentration. Rather, stay focused towards your goal. Do not lose sight of your objective. The third one, Shwananidra. Have you ever seen how a dog sleeps? The dog is very alert to its surroundings. It immediately opens its eyes even if there is a little sound around. Similarly, a student should be very alert and attentive rather than being neglective, lethargic and careless. Do not sleep for long durations out of laziness. A good 7 to 8 hours of sleep is enough. Remember that if you want to be successful, you always have to be alert, mindful and energetic while learning anything, be it academics or non-academics. The next one, Alpahari. You are not advised to stay hungry or starve, but you are strongly recommended to take a proper, nutritious, healthy, homemade diet. Do not overeat, as overeating leads to a number of problems in the long run. As soon as a person has overeaten, he starts feeling sluggish and lethargic. This hampers the cognitive abilities of any person, which can ruin your academic performance. It can also take a toll on your emotional and physical health. Always remember that only if you eat right, you feel right. So avoid junk food, sugary carbonated drinks and eat food that is easily digestible. Remember that a healthy outside begins from a healthy inside. The last one, Grihatyagi. You do not have to leave your home, but you definitely have to come out of your comfort zone, because no individual can progress or flourish inside his comfort zone. So it is very important that you come out of your comfort zone in order to gain self-confidence, build resilience to new situations and challenges in life, and to foster personal growth. For more such enlightening videos, keep watching Inspiring Young Minds. See you soon in the upcoming episode. Until then, stay tuned, stay happy, stay blessed. Namaskaram.